My name is Krishnaveni Vasudev and we are seniors. My husband is a little bit more senior comparatively me. So I have decided a lift to come and down. Only one floor I am using. So that is the reason to buy the Nibav lift. Just 2 months back I got this lift. Last year I tried all sorts of lifts and I thought it is a simple thing. My house location and my room, everything, it is suitable I thought, and I have purchased the Nibav. I am using daily. Sometimes my grandchildren will come, they also enjoying. And one way it is convenient because coming and going up is little bit easy. Climbing the steps are little more difficult for us. That's why I have thought to buy a lift. One way it is convenient for me, no digging, nothing. So that's why I have purchased.